Oh, it's John. What's up, Sean? Hey, great to see you guys. We were just talking about you. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from Sweden. Wow, Sweden? That's really far away. It's not that far compared to other countries in Europe. Do people speak English in Sweden? No, we use Swedish. But you are really fluent in English. Thanks. My dad is a diplomat. So I grew up in many different countries. Wow! Which country have you been to? I have mostly been to European countries, such as Germany and France. I have also been to Egypt in Middle East and South Korea in Asia. South Korea? That's where my family comes from. Oh, really? Korea is an awesome country. Right. Really nice to meet you, John. John, are you good at yo-yo? Of course. I can do trick with this. Wow!